Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Spike Reaction. Today I'm going to listen Master Sir by Sermon Wills, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, live studio version. So let's see how the song is. And this track is suggested by one of you guys, and his username was Hans Vicky, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. And if I am, I will put his comment in anywhere so you can read out from there. And if I am pronouncing it wrong, you can correct me. So let's see how the song is. And first of all, I want to give a shout out to him. So thank you so much for suggesting this track, bro, and stay tuned. Much love to you, keep supporting. And secondly, I would like to request you all, if you are Salman Wales fan new to this channel, so please make sure to hit that subscribe button, watch this video till end, and if you like, you can like, and if you don't, you can dislike this video. So let's see how the song is without wasting 1 second. Wow.
Master Sir, mage himitana dinabado. Hane Sir, anukhampa no sitego.
His voice is amazing, guys. It's quite bold, but it's really good, yeah. And secondly, in music production, only piano is used. How can I can listen? How much I listen? But if I am wrong, you can correct me. And secondly, I would like to request you all, because they are not provided English caption, so it's quite not. It's really impossible to understand the lyrics because I'm not a Sinhala or Tamil. I don't know which language he is using, but it's quite impossible to understand me. So if you can, I would like to request all, if you can, so please give me a summary of this song so I can understand also, so I can also understand this song. So if you can, I am not saying to translate whole song in English, so but just I'm saying, please translate, please give me a summary of this song, so it will be quite, I will be really thankful to you. So let's see. And I want to again request you all, if you are suggesting any song, so please suggest those who have English caption too, so I can also understand, or you can give me a summary of that, so it's really good for me. Otherwise, it's your choice. Let's see how the song is. And I really like his voice, and but I'm not getting lyrics, so I can't say anything about that. Let's see. I really like his voice, but and why, if you are want to know why I'm focusing on lyrics, so I'm also a poetry or poet or you can say lyricist, because I'm also interested in writing, so that's why it's really important for me, and I give more priority to lyrics, just I'm saying. And you can say I'm interested in rapping, that's why I know little bit knowledge of music and all, but I know about the music pitches and all. So just I'm talking about music production and all, and mix master video, that's why. So I will very thankful to you if you'll give me a lyrics, or you can translate, sorry, if you give me a summary of this song. So sorry for pausing, but just a request to you all, it's your choice, whatever you do.
Hane Sir, anukhampa no sitego. Ape atere kabadille tarak mein.
Music so soothing.
Nimavannata kalkatavedo. Hane Sir, apamituran vedo.
As I told you, I don't know about the music, but if I were knowing, then I can say. But that pitches, that what we can say, notes were really good sounds, and I don't know that's correct or what, so I can't say about that, but it sounds really good. Yeah, his voice is so good, and music, that camera angles are really good. So let's see. Yeah, I'm not getting lyrics, so it's quite yeah.
Apamituran vedo. සුත්තා තැලු පෙළු හැටි අපි කතා කළේ පන ගැහි ගැහි දනින් වැටි මාස්ටර් සර් මගේ හිමි තැන මට දෙන්න
Whoa. Then she switched the singing pattern. Now I can listen. I really like it.
අනේ සර් කරුණාවෙන් සලකන්න අප අතරේ කබදිල්ලේ තරගමේ නිමවන්නට කල්ගත වෙයිද
Ooh, damn man.
අනේ සර් අප මිතුරන් වෙයිද එදා දවස උදා වේවිද නන්නාරේ නන්නාරේ නානානේ නන්නාරේ නන්නාරේ නානානේ නන්නාරේ නන්නාරේ රේ නන්නාරේ 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 අප අතරේ කබදිල්ලේ තරගමේ නිමවන්නට කල්ගත වෙයිද අනේ සර් අප මිතුරන් වෙයිද එදා දවස උදා වේවිද එදා දවස උදා වේවිද
Listen. His voice is really good. Yeah. His singing was really good, amazing. But I'm not getting lyrics, so I can't talk about that. But music production in music, there was using piano only, but it was also really good. Yeah. I really liked this song. But again and again, I'm saying that without lyrics. Otherwise, I really like it. The videos, the shots were really good, and whole song I really liked it. So, what's your opinion on this song? If you want, you can tell me in comment section. And what's your reaction on this? You can tell me. And I really like it. And if you wanna suggest any song, so you can suggest. But it's a humble request to you all, if you can. So please, please, please. And if you wanna see my and I had put it my Insta link also in description, so if you want contact me, and if you want to provide that lyrics, so you can also contact me from there. But it's your wish. Thanks for watching, and if you like, otherwise you can check any of this, and if you like, you can like, and if you don't, you can dislike. And if you are still here and if you're liking, please, 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 please hit that subscribe button. I will be very thankful to you. It really motivates me to react on other videos. So thanks for watching. Peace out.